Good evening, everyone. I am Navin. Today, I am going to tell about the end-to-end software engineering GMinsta mini social media app. This is a requirement. In this, we have requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, and UI. And next slide, we have assignment overview. What is your assignment overview? Means it is a comprehensive assignment applies software engineering principle. It means not just theory, it is a practical application. And you are designing a real system like GM Instagram. And we are analyze and design GM Insta in the real world social media system. And in this we have two main tasks like analyze and design. Analyze means to understand the problem, and design means to create system structure. And what the students will master means let's break each term. Here we have requirement analysis and how to understand means what user wants and what system should do. And we have also system design means planning, means how system will work internally. And UML modeling means drawing diagrams like use case diagram, class diagram. And also database design, UI planning. Okay, this much in this assignment overview. In next slide, we have problem definition and scope. Here we have the introduction to GM Insta means mini social media. It is a mini social media platform. In what are the features in this means connect users, share post, communicate, and basically it is like Instagram plus WhatsApp. And system objectives means it will build a scalable, secure platform with user experience and robust functionality. Your scalable means can handle many users, and secure means protect user data like a password, message, and etc. And robust functionality means works correctly without crashing. And next we have the application scope, means it is included in this project authentication like login or sign up and post system, comments, messaging, profile, and etc. And next slide, we have requirement engineering. First, we have stakeholders identification. What is this means? Identity all parties involved, end users, administrators, developers, and system owners. Here, users means user app, and admins means who will manage the system, and developers means who will build this system, and owners are business side. And next we have the functionality requirement, means what system should do. Like example, register, login, create post, comment, and send message. Next we have the non-functional requirement. Non-functional requirement means it will tell the performance, security, scalability, usability, and maintainability. Next, we have the feasibility study. What is this means? Is in this we have the types. In the three types. One technical, economic, and operational. Here, technical means what? Do we have tools or skills? In economic, in cost worth it. In operational, user use it a lot. Next slide, we have the system design. Here, what is system design? We have the design approach. Here, we have modular design methodology. For example, authentication module, post module, chart module. And the system employs a modular design methodology and breaking complex functionality into manageable, dependent components. And here, data flow seamlessly between user interface, business logic, and data storage layers, ensuring efficient processing and response time. And benefits here easy to manage and easy to debug. Next, we have the next slide, UML design modeling. Next slide, we have the UML modeling. What is this? In this, we have use case diagram and class diagram. Here, a use case diagram is visual representation of user interaction with the system, and it will showing the actors and their relationship with system functions. In class diagram is static structure. It's showing the classes, attributes, method, and relationship between system components. Here use case diagram, here it will show the actors. Here actor what is here user and action login post message, and user can register, login, create post, comment, follow user, send message. What is the purpose means understand user interaction. In class diagram we have the, it will show the structure of system, and from diagram here we have the classes user, post, comment, message, follow. For example, in user class there have a user id, username, password, followers, and the methods are login and register. In post class we have post id, caption, media url, and the methods create post, delete post, and etc. And also we have the relationship user create post, post as comments. We have one, many, too many, one, too many, and etc. And next slide next slide we have the system architecture. In this we have the three layer: presentation layer, logic layer, and data layer. Here presentation layer means what? It will user interface and client side component. And for example mobile app web UI, like it is a like a front end UI. And logic layer means it is a core functionality and processing, and it is a brain of a system. It will handle the validation, processing, and rules. And data layer in third layer is data layer. It is a database, and it will store the users post and message and etc. And we have the technology stack. What are tools we use in this project means in front end we use React and Flutter, in back end Node, JavaScript, and Java, and database MongoDB or MySQL. And next slide we have database design. Here, what is database design? Means in this we have the ER diagram. Means it will show the entities, tables, and relationship, and the entity relationship model defining data structure and relationships, and core tables. And if, for example, user means it will post the images, and post we have to comment, and core tables and user account information and credentials. For example, user ID, username, password, and post content and metadata. Means for example, post ID content created at comments, user feedback and discussion. Means comment ID, post ID, user ID. In messages we have private communication like sender ID, receiver, and message. Database is a backbone of the system. In next slide we have the UI UX design. In we have the screenshots of the projects: login screen, register screen, feed screen, profile screen, and chat screen. Your login screen is enter username and password, and in login screen we have the features like email and password input fields, and login button with validation, and it will redirect to home page after login. And we also link to registration page and error handling for invalid credential. Next, we have the register screen. What it means? It will user account creation follow. Means for your features are username, email, and password inputs. For a optional field, we can add the bio and the gender and link. And it is a form validation like a password length required fields. And it will success or error messages. In next, we have the speed screen and also called home screen. It is a dynamic content display, and this features are display all posts from user, and post include profile picture, username, caption, and image or video. And it will we also add like and comment functionality, and create post option and suggestion like people to follow or unfollow. Next, we have the profile screen. In profile screen means it is a user information and settings. Features are displays user details like username, bio, and gender link, and it will follow the followers, following, and post account, and it will grid view of user post. And we also edit the profile option like biodata and username file etc. and it will follow and unfollow functionality. Next we have chat screen. Here what is chat screen means we can list of user conversion and real-time message display, send and receive messages and message timestamps. Means it is a auto refresh chat every few seconds. And next slide we have conclusion and key takeaways. Here comprehensive learning means what? Next slide we have conclusion and key takeaways. Here comprehensive learning means what? Applied full software development lifecycle principle from requirements to UI design and gaining hands-on experience means you will learn full SDLC. And next we have the project impact means it is a GM like it is a GMinsta serve as a vital case study demonstrating how structured methodologies lead to robust scalable solution and means it will show the real world system design. Next we have the methodology value means it is a reinforced the critical role of the systematic design, modeling and planning in delivering successful software products. Means it is an important message good design equal to successful software. Thank you.